Hello and welcome again to our videos. So for today, we have additional examples regarding our topic, radicals. So here are our examples. So for the first one, we need to find the value of x. So we have square root of x is equal to 7. What we have to do is multiply square root of x to itself, or raise it to the power of 2. Which is the same thing that we will be doing on the other side. Simplify. The value of x is equal to 49. Next one, we have square root of 5 minus x is equal to 7. We will do the same procedure, which is putting an exponent of 2. Therefore, our answer is x equal to negative 44. For our third example, we have square root of x minus 3 equal to 1 over square root of x minus 3. The first thing that we have to do is we have to remove this from the denominator. So we multiply square root of x minus 3 to both sides. So you have square root of x minus 3, x minus 3, minus 3. Multiply. So a square root multiplied to a square root, we just cancel it out, which would give us x minus 3. And on the other side, when you multiply square root of x minus 3 with 1, you would still get the same answer. So square root of x minus 3 over square root of x minus 3 is 1. Simplify. X is equal to 1 plus 3 and x is equal to 4. Now, we will go on to our problem solving. So the square root of the sum of a number and 8 is 12. What is the number? So first, let's look at our problem. We are given the square root and then the sum of a number and 8. So that's going to be square root of the sum of a number. So sum is addition. Let x be the number and 8 is equal to 12. So we just have to multiply both sides by squared. So square root of x plus 8 squared is x plus 8. 12 squared is 144. X is equal to 144 minus 8. Therefore, the value of x is 136. How about this one? So we need to determine the missing side of the triangle using the Pythagorean theorem. So Pythagorean theorem is already indicated here. So we have a squared plus b squared equal to c squared. So we are already given a squared, we are already given a and b. So we have 12 squared plus 12 squared is equal to c squared. So that's going to be 144 plus 144 is equal to c squared. 288 is equal to c squared. Get the square root. So 288 is also equal to 144 times 2 square root of c squared. So we can take out 144 because it is a perfect square. So we now have 12 square root of 2 is equal to c. So we have here another one. We have b is equal to 60 and c is equal to 61. So you have a squared plus 60 squared equal to 61 squared. So let's put 60 squared on the other side. So a squared is equal to 61 squared minus 60 squared. So here we have 61 squared is equal to 3,721 minus 3,600. It would give us 121. Square root of both sides, a is equal to 11. So we would be choosing the positive value for our answer. For our next problem, we have to determine the volume of the given image. So this is a triangular prism. And the formula for the volume of a triangular prism is B times H times L. So we have here 3 square root of 2 as the base, 3 square root of 7 as the height, and 7 square root of 5 as the length. So you have 3 square root of 7 times 3 square root of 2 times 7 square root of 5 all over 2. So what we need to do is just to multiply everything. So remember, when we are multiplying radicals, you just have to multiply all numbers. So let's start with this. 3 times 3 times 3. So that's 9 times 7 is 63. And square root of 7 times 2, 14. 14 times 5 is 70. All over 2. There is no more lowest term for our answer, so this would be our final answer. Don't forget to put your centimeter. And that would end our lesson for today. I hope that you learned something new. Thank you very much.